Okay, so this is a repair for the uh, Northern Lite. Uh, this is the sleeping area, or the cap section up on top. And the problem with this is that it was sagging. And so what I ended up doing is I removed everything. I removed all the cabinets, and then I took these little trusses here, these uh, these 1 by 1 by 1/8 inch wall. I made three of them, and then the upper two are only 16th inch wall. So what I ended up doing is I made and they have these runners on these on the system that they built. They have these runners, these are the runners right here, and they're about, I guess, about 2 foot on center. So what I ended up doing was I drilled some holes. As you can see right here, I drilled some holes, and took an 1 3/4 hole drill, and I drilled holes, and I supported the runner down at the bottom with some shims, and then I sprayed in foam in order to support the area. There's an indentation to the bottom, in the bottom of the system. I'll have to tape it in a few minutes here. And so what I did is I did it on both sides, and I filled it up with foam, as you can see that, and then I supported these trusses here. And what I'm about to do now is I'm about to drill the last two on here that I haven't drilled. And so as you can tell, the system that they build kind of goes up goes up towards the top. So what I ended up doing is I'm gonna use this 3/4 inch plywood now that I got on here, and that 3/4 inch plywood is going to be my the system that I'm going to put all the way back, and then I'm going to put two more pieces in here, and that way this will never sag. Total weight that I'm going to add to the camper is probably going to be I'd say probably maybe 100 pounds, if that. So but it's gonna be able to be something that I can sleep on without sagging. And all this is due probably to a leak of this window, which I repaired, and that was leaking down at the bottom, as you can see right there. It came all the way down, and who knows how long they had this. I bought the camper excuse me, used, and so but anyways, this is one of the repairs I have to do to it. The other one is going to be the overhang. So I'm going to quit this right now and do the work, and then I'll tape it back. There is okay, thank you, bye.